Snoring can be a real nuisance, not just for you, but for everyone around you. First off, let's talk about sleep position. If you're a back sleeper, try rolling onto your side. It can make a world of difference. Next, consider your weight. Shedding a few pounds can reduce the fatty tissue in your throat, which might help. Now, let's not forget about allergies. Keeping your bedroom dust-free and using an air purifier can clear your airways. Hydration is key too. Drink plenty of water to keep your throat moist. And if you're a fan of alcohol, try to cut back, especially before bed. It relaxes your throat muscles, making snoring more likely. Lastly, consider nasal strips or a humidifier. They can help open up your airways and make breathing easier. Small changes can lead to big results, so give them a shot.